Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be creating a vignette for winter. And this is part of the challenge, Kitchen Vignette Challenge Winter 2020 that's being hosted by Denise Jordan. And her requirements were a tray. This is a tray I picked up from the thrift store. And I just added this jute twine to it to give it a more decorative appeal. So this is the tray I'll be using. She also asked us to use some type of floral arrangement, whether it be faux or real, and this is the arrangement I'll be using. I DIY this vase. I'll link the video in the description box if you're interested in seeing how I created this. It's matte on one side and glossy on the other. And I'm gonna add this napkin. It's a Robert Stanley napkin that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I'm into the black and white. So we also had to have a recipe or a recipe book included on our tray, and this is a recipe book I picked up from Dollar Tree a couple of years ago. Southern Living, the way to fry, even though I don't fry a lot of foods, but I do look at some of these recipes. That's what we have now. And I think the last requirement she had was some type of utensil or some type of measuring device that you use in the kitchen. And I'll be adding these this wooden spatula and wooden spoon that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just gonna add this sparkling red grape juice, since we're in the winter season and still celebrating the new year. Just add those 2 miniature bottles I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And this cute little, it's a plastic, but it's very cute stemware that I picked up from the Dollar Tree also. And to keep with the winter season, I'm gonna go ahead and add these cute little ice skating booties that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, the 80% off Christmas sale. These are actual ornaments, but I'm gonna add them to the tray for a winter feel. I want to go ahead and thank Denise for hosting this challenge, and I want to thank you guys for watching. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. My channel focuses on ways to help you save money. And if there's something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. And if you know someone who's interested in saving money, share this video out. Click that bell icon twice so you'll be notified when I upload videos. I'm now on a schedule. I upload videos twice a week, Mondays and Thursdays, with some exceptions. And that's going to conclude this video. Thank you again, Denise, for hosting this wonderful challenge for those of us limited on space, so we can utilize a tray for decorating. This is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.